This is Science Cow. This is the first episode in a series on learning to write C in Windows. Today we'll be installing the MinGW-w64 compiler. This compiler will allow us to turn our C code into a program we can execute. In order to install the compiler, we first open our web browser and in the address bar type in MinGW-w64.org. We then go to Downloads. We scroll down. Under Pre-built Toolchains and Packages, we click on the link that says MinGW-w64-builds. We then click on the green link that says SourceForge. This will automatically download our compiler installer, go to our compiler installer, and execute it. If it asks you if you want to make changes to your device, say yes. Hit next again, copy this path, hit next, and while it's installing, go to the Windows search bar and type in environment variables, and open the prompt that says add to system environment variables. Hit environment variables again, go to the path in the top section, hit edit, add new, copy the path, add \MinGW32, MinGW32, \bin. Okay. Then our installation should have completed, so hit next, hit finish. In order to test that our installation worked, go back to the Windows search bar and type in cmd and execute the command prompt. Type in gcc. If you install it correctly, it should say GCC, fatal error, no input files, compilation terminated. We added the environment variables so we don't have to use the fully qualified path, which would be c/program files, x86 /MinGW /bin. Because you'd have to enter that whole long path if you don't change the environment variables. So that should be all for today. Thank you for watching. Next time we will be covering a commonly used code editor known as Vim. Please like and subscribe.